Assalamualaikum and selamat sejahtera. We are from Group 4. Today we will be presenting our final project. Our project is to make a smart event management system. The theme that we chose is Music Festival Manager. Our group members are Bruni Muhammad, Nadira binti Saudi, and me, Nila Atira binti Ahmad Razli.
So our project is about managing music festival. The main idea is to provide a system where users can create and view different events music easily. To build this system, we use Java Swing for the graphical interface and applied the principle of object-oriented programming to organize the code in a structured and usable way. Our system has several key features. First, users can have several key features. Second, they can customize event details such as genre, headliner, and ticket price. The system can also display events in a list format so users can easily browse through them. Finally, we implemented the ability to save events to a file and load them back, so no data is lost when the program is closed. To design the system, we apply object-oriented programming concept. We start with an abstract class called event, which defines the basic structure. Then we create subclasses such as concert, which includes details like genre, headliner, ticket price, and even a band image. We also added other subclasses like conference and workshops to make the system more flexible. We have a utility class called event manager, which handles tasks such as adding, saving, loading, and generating reports. So to ensure each event is unique, we create a final class called event ID, which generates a special ID for every event. We also design an interface called schedulable, which allows events to be scheduled and rescheduled. To notify users before an event starts, we also built an inner class called notifier. And finally, to handle errors, we implemented a custom exceptions called invalid event exception. I will explain this UML class diagram for our music festival management system. So this diagram represents the structure of the system, showing classes, attributes, methods, and their relationships. So at the top, we have the schedulable interface, which defines two methods, schedule and reschedule. This ensures that every event in the system can be scheduled and updated. The core of the design is the abstract event class. This class cannot be instantiated directly but serves as a blueprint for all types of events. It contains attributes like name, date, time, durations, minute, event ID, and venue, and provides methods such as get summary, get name, get date, time, and others retrieve details. So these are three subclasses of event: concert, which adds attribute like genre, headliner, ticket price, and images; conference, which includes topic, speakers, and reg fee, which is registration fee; workshop, which has instructor and materials. Each subclass customizes the get summary method to provide specific event details. So supporting classes include event ID to handle unique IDs, venue to store venue names and capacities, and event manager to manage all events. The main event manager class has method to add events, retrieve list of events, calculate totals, generate reports, and save or load event data from files. Finally, the relationship shows that event implement schedulable, and each event type inherits from event. The venue class links to event to indicate where they are held, and event manager manage a list of events. So overall, this design keeps the system well structured, easy to maintain, and scalable for managing multiple types of event effectively.
Now for user interface UI. On the menu bar, we have File, View, and Help. At the top text, we have the title displayed. In the middle text, we have the total event to easily track the event count. And the empty space is where the event details will be displayed. The color and the font chosen are both different for a more tidy and user-friendly layout. Next is file handling and errors. Events that were created are saved to events.txt. So even when user just open the application, user can see their saved events in view or when they click load. For error handling, when we put wrong input for date and time, an error will pop up. Second, image not found. An error will also pop up if image have different name or image not in images files. Now I will show the demo.
So challenges we faced. Actually, we faced a few challenges during development our smart event management system. One of the biggest challenge we faced was connecting our OOP with the graphical user interface. Also, another challenge was validating ticket price, making sure it is positive, and even date, making sure it is valid. Also, we had to handle some error uh, some error such as the system could not read the file and could not find it. So these challenges taught us how important error handling and validation are when building real applications. Moving to next. In conclusion, our project have successfully applied the four OOP concepts, which are encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction. So in a practical system, we managed to build a working Java Swing application that allow users to create, manage, and view music festival events. More importantly, the project helped us to improve our teamwork and problem-solving skills while applying theory into practice. So future work, what are we going to develop in the future? There are many ways we can improve the system. For example, we could add online booking and ticket sales and display more detailed information such as artists or band images. Another idea is to connect the system to the database so it can handle large events more effectively and in the long term. Also, we would like in the future to create a mobile app version to make it easier for users to access the system anywhere. Okay, so that's all from us. Thank you for listening to our presentation.